So in this example, ladies and gentlemen, again, as I mentioned, if you're given the term that it's a geometric sequence, then you already know to find r. If you're not given that it's a geometric sequence, then you want to see, does it have a common difference or does it have a common ratio? But you can always look at, again, what I like to do is just divide the first two terms and then determine, does that continue to work for the rest of the terms in the sequence? So 6 divided by -3 is -2. So that means if I multiply -3 times -2, I get 6. Well, if I multiply 6 by -2, does that give me -12? Yes. So it works out, right? So now, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my explicit formula, which is a to the n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1. And now what we're trying to do is determine what is the ninth term. So we want to figure out what a of 9 is. Does that make sense? That's what we're trying to figure out, the ninth term in the sequence, which is a sub 9. So we're going to plug in a 9 in for the n. We know a sub 1, which in this case is -3. And we know r, which in this case is -2. Okay? The main important thing with doing this is just remembering, Ryan, your order of operations. So here I'm going to subtract my exponents. And the order of operations tell us that we need to make sure that we raise a number to a power and then multiply it by, and then multiply it. So I'm going to take -2, raise it to the, -2, raise it to the 8th power, which is going to be a positive 256, times it by 3, -3, which will give us a negative 768. Questions, preguntas, anything? Yes?